Hi friends, today we will discuss about 100 simple general knowledge question and answers. The national animal of India is answer tiger. National anthem of India is answer Jana Gana Mana anthem. Jana Gana Mana anthem was originally composed in answer Bengali. National song of India is answer Vande Matram song. The national flower of India is answer lotus flower. The national bird of India is answer peacock. The national fruit of India is answer mango. The national tree of India is answer banyan. The national currency of India is answer Indian rupee. The national river of India is answer Ganga river. National aquatic animal of India is answer Ganga river dolphin. The national song of India was written by answer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. How many Asiatic lions are there in the state emblem of India? Answer 4. The national heritage animal of India is answer elephant. The national reptile of India is answer king cobra. The national vegetable of India is answer pumpkin. The national game of India is answer hockey. The national calendar of India is answer Saka calendar. Who is also known as the Iron Man of India? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who founded the Indian National Army? Answer Captain Mohan Singh. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? Answer Lal Bahadur Shastri. Who is known as Father of India? Answer Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Who is the chief architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India adopted the Constitution on answer 26th January 1950. What is the most famous historical monument of India? Answer Taj Mahal. Who was the first Indian Army Chief of the Indian Army? Answer General K.M. Kariyappa. The first woman Prime Minister of India is also called the Mother of India. Answer Indira Gandhi. Quit India movement was started by answer Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first woman president of India? Answer Pratibha Patil. What is Harry Potter's middle name? Answer James. What type of food do penguins eat? Answer fish. By area wise, which is the largest state in India? Answer Rajasthan. By area wise, which is the smallest state in India? Answer Goa. Where is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer in the ear. Which is the largest desert in the world? Answer Sahara. What is the full form of LIC? Answer Life Insurance Corporation. What was the full form of RBI? Answer Reserve Bank of India. Geet Govind is a famous creation of answer Jaidev. Golf player Vijay Singh belongs to which country? Answer Fiji. Which state has largest population in India? Answer Uttar Pradesh. Plant exhale which has at night? Answer carbon dioxide. First country who issued paper currency notes in the world? Answer China. Which one is the biggest freshwater lake area wise in the world? Answer Lake Superior, North America. Pentagon is the military headquarters of answer USA, means United States of America. Which of the following is the world's largest deepest ocean? Answer Pacific Ocean. The literacy rate of India is in 2019. Answer 69.1. Which Indian state has the least literacy rate? Answer Bihar. India's largest petrochemical complex is located at answer Gujarat. Who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Which space agency spends 104 satellites in a single mission in 2017? Answer ISRO. Who among the following received the Bharat Ratna Award before becoming the President of India? Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. During World War II, when did Germany attack France? Answer 1940. The first cricket club of India was established. Answer 1792 in Calcutta. Which mountain range is also as Roof of the world. Answer: Pamir, Tibet. Dragon is the national symbol of. Answer: China. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? Answer: barometer. Which is the world's deepest lake? Answer: Lake Baikal, Siberia. Which is the world's largest ocean? Answer: Pacific Ocean. In cricket, what is the length of pitch between two wickets? Answer: 22 yards or 20.12 meters. Which state has the lowest per capita income in India? Answer: Bihar. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer: G.V. Mavalankar. When India national football team was established? Answer: 1937. Ozone layer prohibits. Answer: ultraviolet radiation. Hepatitis and jaundice are the disease of. Answer: liver. Who is the founder of Wikipedia? Answer: Jimmy Wales. Which gas was used for the first time in World War I? Answer: chlorine. When was Goa Shipyard Limited GSL established? Answer: 1957. Mount Etna is a famous volcano which is located. Answer: Italy. Which of the following is the capital of Ethiopia? Answer: Addis Ababa. Where is the Tungabhadra sanctuary located? Answer: Karnataka. The headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India is. Answer: Mumbai. When did Mother Teresa win the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer: 1979. Which Indian state has its maximum area under the forest cover? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which countries are separated by McMahon Line? Answer: India and China. What word is used to describe a group of ants? Answer: colony. How many kidneys does an average human have? Answer: 2. Zorro is Spanish for which animal? Answer: fox. Which birds lays the largest eggs? Answer: ostrich. Which fabric is made by worms? Answer: silk. What does a cartographer make? Answer: maps. Which sign of the zodiac is represented by the twins? Answer: Gemini. From which flowers is vanilla extracted? Answer: orchid. What is the wife of a duck called? Answer: Duchess. Who was the first president of the United States of America? Answer: George Washington. Name the person who was also known as Deshbandhu. Answer: Chittaranjan Das. Garam Pani Sanctuary is located at. Answer: Dippu, Assam. Which is the largest railway station in the India? Answer: Howrah Railway Station, Kolkata. FFC stands for. Answer: Film Finance Corporation. When did the World Trade Organization comes into existence? Answer: 1995. Which of the following national parks is not listed in a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Answer: Kanha National Park. In which state is the Elephant Falls location? Answer: Meghalaya. In which year did the cabinet mission arrive in India? Answer: 1946. Who creations Harsha, Charita and Kadambari? Answer: Bana Bhatta. Panchayati Raj belongs to. Answer: State list. The planet near to the Earth is. Answer: Venus. When was SAARC formed? Answer: 1985. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Where is Dudhsagar waterfall in India? Answer: Goa. Who is called the father of English poetry? Answer: Geoffrey Chaucer. Which is the world's highest continent? Answer: Antarctica. National Youth Day is related to which of the following? Answer: Swami Vivekananda Jayanti.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. For more general knowledge videos, please watch to General Knowledge for All YouTube channel.